We spend our entire lives following a script. We study hard, work grueling jobs to secure a retirement pension, and search for a partner just so we don't have to face the future alone. But even when we check all those boxes, something feels deeply wrong. Instead of peace, we experience severe stress, resentment, and a constant, quiet exhaustion. This feeling is a dense, suffocating force, the weight of accumulated negative energy. It surrounds us, eventually manifesting as disease and deep emotional pain. Society has handed us a flawed definition of security. By following standard rules of success, we find ourselves locked into a life of spiritual depletion. To understand why this happens, we need to step back from the chaotic daily grind and look at the objective mechanics of reality. The universe does not operate on concepts of right or wrong. It acts as a perfect calculator, delivering results based exactly on the inputs we provide. This mechanic is called universal resonance. It dictates that the exact energetic frequency you emit is the exact frequency you attract back into your life. If our lives are filled with hardship, the world isn't singling us out. We are unknowingly broadcasting a frequency of suffering, and the universe is simply answering that call with matching circumstances. To stop the suffering, we have to trace that negative frequency back to its origin. We need to reverse engineer the human mind. Take a look at this digital equation board. It outlines the foundational formula of human consciousness. Variable 1, the soul, plus variable 2, the physical body, equals variable 3, the human mind. Variable 1 is your original nature. It is pure, divine, formless, and vibrates at a high, stable frequency. But the moment that infinite soul is housed inside variable 2, the physical vessel, a highly volatile byproduct is generated, the ego, or simply put, my feelings. The friction between your limitless soul and the physical body's creation of this fragile ego is the exact mathematical origin point of human suffering. We spend almost every waking moment fiercely protecting those feelings. A harsh word from a partner or a bad look from a coworker immediately sends us spiraling into defensive conflict. This frequency gauge illustrates the result. Every time we jump to defend our ego, we generate massive clouds of dense, low-frequency negative energy. Staying stuck in this low-frequency zone pulls us away from our original divine nature. This state directly attracts bad luck, failing relationships, and physical illness. By obsessively protecting a temporary ego, we build a magnetic prison of negative energy that isolates us from the universe. We cannot control the external triggers that upset us, but we can rewrite the internal sequence. Change your thoughts to change your intentions. Change your intentions to change your actions. Change your actions and you rewrite your destiny. This requires moving beyond transactional kindness and learning to generate true merit. True merit is pure, selfless, positive energy. You don't need to spend money or perform grand gestures to create it. Think about setting up chairs for an event. As shown here, this only generates true merit if it meets 3 conditions: 0 expectation of reward, total alignment with universal rules by working without resentment, and a pure intent to benefit others. True merit is built by purifying the internal intent behind entirely ordinary actions. That is the mechanism that elevates you back to a high universal frequency. Think back to the life goals we discussed earlier. We sacrificed decades of our lives stressing over accumulating enough money for a physical retirement pension. Virtue acts as the soul's true retirement fund, the only asset that grows within the spirit. Physical money becomes useless the moment your body fails. Virtue, however, is a universal, energetic currency that outlasts the physical vessel and elevates the soul. Stop wasting your limited lifespan defending the illusion of your feelings. Use your physical body as a tool to accumulate virtue and elevate your frequency back to the true self you were all along.